With Speedy Rewards, get yours inside.
They got ordained to pastors now.
Oh wow, they did?
Now they are pastors.
Show me getting up. Get up. Get up, right? Okay, show me turning around. Okay, now show me jump. Okay, now show me clap your hands. Show me stomping feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me dancing. Woo! Okay, we're ready. Gotta help you, okay? We
God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. God so loved the world that gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life.
It's a beautiful thing. John 3:16. Let me hear you.
God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish. God so loved the world.
How loud you can get. Ready? On a count of 3, I want you to shout with your loudest Jesus, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I didn't hear anything. Did you guys hear anything? I didn't hear anything. Let's try it. Now, maybe my adults can help me. Ready? You guys stand up. It's only going to work if you stand up. Everybody stand, okay? Ready? Your loudest. Ready? With all your might, say Jesus. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, that's great.
been forever since I ate here. I used to eat a Navajo taco here as a kid, so I always had Jello with it. But I always thought this place had the best Navajo tacos. And it's been so long since I had one, so I want to know if it still tastes the same. So, eating Navajo taco, thanks to my mom. She bought me lunch, so. Food came out right away as I was still trying to talk, but that's how the Navajo taco looks with green chili. And that's for everything, so. I can tell this is already a different recipe. This is not it. They changed it. They changed it. This is not the same thing I used to eat. I'm disappointed. They used to do the canned chili beans. This is not it. This is pinto beans, are the real beans. I always used to get this as a little kid, so I want to try it again. This place is good. A lot of haunted stories about this place. Massacre Cave. Thought I'd stop here real quick before I go home. Yeah, there's a lot of haunted stories about this place, Massacre Cave. And Coach has a good one too, Coach 5515. He's talking about this area one time. And this is one of those party spots here in Chinle. More like a daring party spot. And so, oh, I dare you do this, I dare you do that. It's one of those. People hop the gate. They walk down there, they hang out in there. So you can walk in there, walk down, climb down, and hang around down there. You see all those rocks coming apart, falling off. They tell you stories of you can hear if you're standing at the top, you can hear creatures, skinwalkers, whatever, running up the side of the wall. You hear screams, mothers screaming, babies crying. You can hear gunshots in the canyon. If you listen close enough. Look at that. One time I brought Brendan and Pam over here from Res Life. Stopped over here. They took some pictures. Ooh, I'm all nervous looking down. I'm all nervous looking down. You guys see that? There's another one in there. Massacre cave. There's It's a long ways down. Well, that's it for me. I had to hike back up that little area. And I'm in round shape. Whew. You see any pinions down there? You better not pick them up. It's gonna be haunted pinions. Can you imagine somebody really superstitious? Where'd you get your pinions from? Oh, Massacre Cave. I'm over here eating it away. It's really quiet here. It sounds like someone is driving up. And of course, they park right next to me. Massacre Cave, haunted pinions. I'm not eating it. No, I'll eat it. I'm glad I chose this back road for a drive. Nice and cool. It started raining on me. Nice scenery. So I drove this way with my windows down, but I had to now roll it up. Rain was coming into the car. Almost home. Enjoyed this drive. Really, really nice and cool. It's 66 degrees right now. Excuse me. 66 degrees. So it's just a small rain cloud, but I was glad I drove through it though. Nice, nice, nice. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Yazzie Family Vlogs. Sorry, it's not, this intro's not in front of the whole video, but it was just a spur of the moment, just to get out of the house for the day. First off, I started my morning by going to Walmart and getting a few items, and then I thought about going to church. So then I was like, I haven't been to one in Canadian Family Church in a while. The church I grew up in, so I figured let me drive over there. Let me surprise my sister. I didn't know my mom was going to be there. I just wanted to surprise my sister because she's she's on the worship team. So left this morning, got some gas. I left this morning and got into Chinle. I think I was about like 15 minutes late. And whoops. Got there, my mom was there, so surprised my mom. She didn't know I was coming. Nobody knew I was coming. My sister was surprised I was there, and I got to see Connie, my little niece. And then I didn't get to see my brother though. I guess he was still at home and he had to work at 3. So met some of the older church members over there that used to go to church with. Met up with David again, his wife, and talked with Jeff. So he's the one that's running the church now, and the church is a lot different now. It's more for kids now, so I guess it's more towards the kids, and which I think is nice, something different. And you know, I recorded a little bit of it, and it's just like a play. They watch a little cartoon movie, and then just explaining the stories. They read scriptures. They do a play. So yeah, we just hung out after church was over. I got to talk with Devin, his wife Shauna, and talked with them for a little bit. Some little plans that they're talking about. And then Shauna showed me the snack room. They got a cotton candy machine, snow cone machine, what was the other one? Popcorn machine. So they got snacks going there for the kids. They play games, they play outside. So talked with them for a while, then talked with Jeff, my mom, and everybody else was outside. Hung out with them until I think everybody was about leaving. And was hanging out with Connie, my sister, and her new other half. So, you know, it was good to meet you. And, you know, everything seems like everything is going good. So I enjoyed it. And then enjoyed my time out there. My mom gave me some money. She told me go get something to eat. So I was like, And it's like, of course, every time we leave Chinle, we always eat at a Burger King in Burnside. So I told my mom, I said, I'm not going through Burnside. I said, I'm going to go through Wheatfields because it's just a lot cooler. So she was okay. Then that's when I was like, I'm going to T-Bird. So a few times we tried to go to T-Bird, but T-Bird's been closed. But this time I got to go to T-Bird, and I remember always eating the double burger or the Navajo taco. But the Navajo taco was the best I ever had. And I did a Thursday rest fave on that Navajo taco. I did it the way I remember. So I ordered a Navajo taco again, but after all these years, they don't use the canned beans no more. It's like real pinto beans. And I was kind of disappointed, but it does taste good though. It does taste good. I just wanted to remember what I had as a kid growing up. All the time, you know, the Navajo taco I grew up on. And of course I had to get a Jello because that's one thing I always got there was the Jello. Plain Jello without the fruits. They had Jello with marshmallows, I think, also. But I got the plain blueberry Jello. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed my food, you know, it was good. And thanks to my mom for buying me lunch. And after that, I left and just went to Massacre Cave. You know, I figured let me just stop here and get a little video. And that's when I was telling you guys, go check out Coach 5515's story about Massacre Cave. He did a video on it. And it's a scary one. Scary video about Massacre Cave. And then I was walking back and seen some pigeons over there. I was like, no, I better not touch it. There might be haunted pigeons. So I was like, no, I don't want to eat no haunted pigeons. And, you know, I mean, I really would have picked it, but you know, I'm just trying to make a joke of it. There's a lot of superstitious people out there. You know, maybe someone would have said that, oh yeah, don't touch it, you know, don't bother, you know, it's haunted over here, you're gonna, I don't know what they're gonna say, you know, it's just something I thought about, you know, I kind of thought it was funny to myself, but after that, you know, I just driving home now, I'm on the back road, about like 10 minutes away from home. And then that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna finish washing up whatever blankets and then give Vader being some more Sheba, I guess, because I know they're gonna cry for Sheba and I feel bad for leaving them home all day. I just told Vader I'm going. Be careful. Take care of the house, okay? I love you. Bye, Vader. Bye, Chubby Cat. I just left. But guess. But I just thought I just wanted to just like, even though I didn't talk much, I didn't show much, it was just like, you guys didn't know I was in a vlog. You guys didn't know, I didn't know I was gonna go somewhere. I was just like, come on, let's go. Get your shoes on, let's go. We're gonna go now. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Just one of those moments. But instead of saying get your shoes on, it's like, yeah. Is that a donkey? I was trying to look at the camera while I was turning. I don't know why I'm trying to look at the camera, but yeah, it's just like, come on, let's go. We're gonna go. Hurry! I don't have time. Let's just go. So I just thought I'd just record some of the scenery and just surprise my sister. Like, she's always talking about you should come. So sometimes I feel down. Sometimes I feel like I just feel like sometimes I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel like I need a reset, or I need before something happens, before I get mad, before I get angry, before I do something stupid, before it's just like trying to release my stress, I guess. And I find it that the only thing that I can do, no disrespect to Gallup Church at the door, I've been going there for years and years and years, and I've been going back like off and on. I show up there, I don't show up, I show up there, I don't show up. And there's a few guys, I went back to church a while back, and I was going through a hard time, and Daniel was the one that came by my work, and I don't know, just that day I was like so filled with anger and so mad at myself, and he just shows up out of nowhere, and he's like, oh yeah, I've been trying to get you, I used to watch your vlogs, and that day I rededicated my life in church, and he was there with his wife. I didn't know that we met his wife before in Walmart, and I think I made up a joke. She was, do you guys eat Aussies? And I was like, no, we're the Bahies, or something like that. No, we're the Gays, and just made a joke about it, and sure enough, it was a small world. That was her. She usually comments on the live, and I want to thank Daniel, her husband, and for pushing me back into church, and for someone just to step in when I was going through the worst. I felt like it was one of the worst parts of my life, and he just shows up, and no disrespect to Brandon too, I don't say much about anything really more on the videos or on the lives, but Brandon and Pam have been there for me since the stuff I've been going through. Brandon shows up to my work just about every other day, throughout my whole work week, sometimes every day. Brandon comes in, he's like, hey, what's up? I'm just here to check on you. How are you doing? Are you okay? And he tells me, yeah, I'm going to work, and I thought I'd stop by. I see you. Brandon will talk. So you gotta, I always have to make sure I try to get a bathroom break before 8 o'clock shows up, because that's when Brandon will show up. Because Brandon will stand there and talk and talk and talk and talk. Next thing you know, it's like 9 o'clock, and I'm not tired of him talking, but he talks, and that's the good thing about it. And every time he leaves, every time he's gonna go, I always tell Brandon, man, I said, thanks for stopping by. It's good talking to you. It's good talking to you. It's one thing that I just don't mention on camera. One thing I don't mention to put it out there, but Brandon and Pam have been there like almost every day of the week, every day of all this, talking to me, just you're hungry, come over. You're hungry, you want to eat, you want to do this, you want to do that. And they took me, you know, I went to church with them one time. I went to the church they went to, and Brandon and Pam took me out to go eat at Cracker Barrel. And at that time, I wasn't really into eating at home. You know, I wasn't cooking, I wasn't doing much. And, you know, I thought I had a big breakfast there, you know, country fried steak. And me and Brandon had the same thing. Brandon had a blueberry pancake. He gave me some of his pancakes, and I ate all my food. I ate everything, and he didn't finish his, but I ate all mine. And Pam, she didn't finish her breakfast. They took theirs to go, and I just thanked them. You know, I told them thank you for treating me out. You know, thank you for inviting me to eat with you guys. And I told them, because my plate was clean, I said, you know, you can tell I don't eat. And Pam's like, I could tell you're hungry. You ate all everything. And I said, yeah, I was hungry. You know, I just don't tell people I'm hungry. I just don't show it. I just don't want to, you know. Hey, do you have a burrito? I just don't do that. But, you know, I was hungry. And Pam and Brandon bought me breakfast and Cracker Barrel. And I thank those guys for everything they've done for me. You know, everything, you know, just talking to me, just doing everything that they do. And Brandon's been there. Brandon's been there from all my problems. Brandon's been there for every time I felt like I was down. And, you know, stuff that I don't want to talk about, but he knows everything, and he knows a lot. And I thank him for keeping me company, but, you know, just a real good brother to me. And today was just one of those days, like, I need a reset, I need to do something. And that's what I did. I just go back to your home church, go back to the church you grew up in, go back to the church where you started. So I went back to Canyon Family Church in Chinle, Arizona. And, you know, first person I met again was Devin, and it was good to see him. It was good to talk to them. And my mom, she was surprised I showed up. Got a big hug from my mom, and my sister peeked out from behind the wall, I guess, like where, you know, the thing for puppets. And she heard my mom talking. I guess my mom don't talk like that, so she's like, who is she talking to? I just seen someone go like this. I was like, is that Weez? And she came out, she gave me a hug, and, you know, got to see Connie. And it was good, you know, it was good. I really enjoyed myself at church and the service, and I feel a lot refreshed. I feel like I just been resetted and ready to go back to work with not hating it now, not like, oh, I want to do this, I don't want to do that. And I feel good. I feel good, but, you know, I just wish that Navajo taco was the same. But still love Thunderbird, you know. Hopefully I get to try something else over there again, which is their burger. But I'm almost home. Got a few more turns to go, and I'm back into my parking lot. But I thank you guys for, you know, just watching and listening to me rant about nothing again, and just me expressing myself. But thank you guys. I miss my family. I miss the dogs. I hope JoJo's doing fine. I'm glad I got to see my side of the family and hang out with him in church for a bit. So I'm just like, thank you guys, you know, thank you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for all your thumbs ups. Thank you for sharing, if you guys are sharing the video. And I appreciate you guys. And I'm just about home now, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in our next one. And I hope you guys have a good week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.